Hi there. I'm going to show you how to create a new YouTube account for you to use in your professional life. I do recommend making a professional email account for you to create, such as YouTube channels just for your teaching purposes, as well as ways to connect on social media. Maybe eventually you're going to want to create a blog or an Instagram account or a Twitter account for you in your classroom, and you're going to want to keep that professional and steer clear of having it blend in with your personal life and your personal accounts. So once you open up youtube.com, you can go ahead and create a new YouTube account from your existing YouTube account if you already have one. So what you're going to do is go up in the top right hand corner. Maybe you have a picture there. I have a Bitmoji. And down below it's going to say switch account. I'm going to click on that. And down below here it says you're going to add account. Once this loads, you can see I have a lot of accounts. You're going to scroll down to the very bottom and say use another account. Now we're not going to sign in here with anything that's existing because you're creating a new email address. You're going to click on create account. And from here you're going to create a new Gmail that's going to connect to this new professional YouTube account. You still need to put in your first and last name. But then rather than type in your email address right here, you're going to click on create a Gmail account instead. This is where you get to come up with your own username, another email address for you. Make sure it's something that you'll remember and make sure that it's something professional. You want to make sure that you can send it to other colleagues, parents, administrators, and from this point, I'm not going to create my own account because I already have my professional account, but I'm going to let you go ahead and fill in your first and last name, create a Gmail account, a new username. You can go ahead and type in your password, confirm the password, go ahead and go through the next steps, which will ask for more personal information like your phone number, maybe a backup email, and date of birth, those sort of things. You're going to go ahead and carry on by creating this new account, and then voila, you will have a new YouTube account to use for professional use. Just make sure that you know how to toggle back and forth between your accounts, between personal and professional. So if I go back, just as a refresher, you're probably like, I already know this, but to go back and forth between your accounts, once you create them in the top right hand corner, it will show up once you go to switch account. Right here. This is different than making a different channel. So please keep that in mind. If you are familiar with creating new channels, my channel is going to show my videos that I've created, my own playlists, things like that. We're not going to play all of this, but this is different than creating a new account. So you will need to create a new account. That way you can go back and forth. It is different than creating a separate channel. Okay, so if you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Thanks.